Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check deleted messages on WhatsApp. So you would have faced many of the problems that somehow if somebody has sent you a message and they delete it, right? So how you can see that deleted messages? So the very first thing you can see here, just go to the Play Store here, and after that I will show you a third-party mobile application. I'm going to give you two solutions. So here you can see that you have to just write WhatsApp deleted messages recovery. Right here you will find so many application which will help you to see the deleted messages. But the fundamental that how it work from the behind, I will show you. You can just, you no need to install any of the mobile application if you're using Android phone. So you have to just go to the setting of your phone. Okay, and guys, here you will see in the notification and status bar, right? You just click on the more settings, right? And after that you will see option that is called notification history. In your phone it can be somewhere else, right? So just make sure that you just go visit the notification history, and after that all the messages will be here. Now right now you are not able to see the WhatsApp messages because I didn't got the notification. So basically notification history what does that, whatever the some people have messages something, it's first of all come into the notification. So notification history track all the notification, and it doesn't matter the messages has been deleted or not, you will able to see here in the notification history. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.